Hello little champs, welcome to another video of SyZahraSpark. Today we are going to learn something new. Here we are going to learn 3-letter words. So let's start. First letter is cat. C-A-T. Cat. Fat. F-A-T. Fat. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Ben. B-A-N. Ben. Man. M-A-N. Man. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Pan. P-A-N. Pan. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. Red. R-E-D. Red. Pet. P-E-T. Pet. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Hit. H-I-T. Hit. Fin. F-I-N. Fin. Box. B-O-X. Box. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. Ice. I-C-E. Ice. Rug. R-U-G. Rug. Sit. S-I-T. Sit. Bit. B-I-T. Bit. Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Kid. K-I-D. Kid. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Sad. S-A-D. Sad. Mad. M-A-D. Mad. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. Nap. Nap. N-A-P. Nap. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Wet. W-E-T. Wet. Bye. B-Y-E. Bye. Lip. L-I-P. Lip. A-S-K. Ask. Ask. Say. S-A-Y. Say. Way. W-A-Y. Way.